Begin by removing all 11 screws holding the backing in place and remove the backing. Slide the bar with the reflective metal off the motor spinner. Unplug the 2 wires connected to the top circuit board for the LED lights. Remove the 2 screws holding the LED circuit board down and remove the board. Next, remove the 2 screws holding the motor in place and remove the motor. Remove the screw holding down the wire on the metal bar. Turn the fireplace on its front and remove the 8 screws holding the feet in place. Then remove the remaining 8 screws. Remove the metal plate below the heater, then remove the last screw holding the bottom in place. Carefully remove the bottom and place flat on the ground. Locate the control board and remove all connections by pinching the tops with pliers and pull straight up. Next, locate the heater and cross blower where the backing is and remove the 6 screws holding the cover in place. Then remove it from the backing. Remove the 4 screws holding the heater in place with the cover and remove the heater from the cover. Disconnect the 3 wires from the heater. Remove the 2 screws on either side of the heater and remove the heater from the cross blower. Locate the connections on the second circuit board that controls the LED lights and remove them by pinching in the tabs and pulling apart simultaneously. Remove the 3 screws holding the LED circuit board in place and remove the LED circuit board. Locate the single LED lights on the sides and unscrew it from its place. Locate the control button circuit board and unscrew it from its place. Remove the second bar with reflective metal from the second motor spinner. Locate 4 screws holding the fire logs in place and remove the screws. Then, remove the logs. Locate the screws holding the second motor spinner in place and remove it from its place.